Okay, in the Shaka Zulu scene, Shaka Zulu training, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Phase 1 is they set it up for phase 2. Okay, the fastest runners, the smartest people, the fastest thinkers are the snakes. Okay, the other people, the muscle, okay, in the center. The snakes encircle the enemy with the bullshit. They spread the bullshit as they encircle the enemy. And then they swallow them up on behalf of Apep, the beast, the wolves, all of them to divide the plunder, the souls among them, on behalf of the devil who ultimately is the source of evil.
Let's go through it again. 20 men in the center, displayed in 4 rows of 5. They make up the head of the formation. The 2 groups of 15 men each, our fastest runners, will be the horn. The head will advance first, with the horns hidden behind it. That's phase 1. Then when I give the word, the horns will strip out on both sides. That's phase 2. Phase 3. The horns will encircle the enemy and close in. Is that clear? Then let's try it.
So timing, distance, speed, all these things are relevant in war, whether you're soft killing, doing chemicals, etc. And it is a war of philosophies on the level of mind, body, and soul. And when you convince one side not to fight in any way, they lose. If you convince them, hey, if you say that you're going to be drugged, they've lost mentally and spiritually. If you say, hey, you got to be a pacifist, you've lost physically. Therefore, the 9 is trying to pacify and destroy, neutralize, and prepare, season, throughout the seasons, prepare, prep, and mock the chicken littles before they are consumed. Only those of us who resist go to heaven. It's just like the Viking going to Valhalla for their darkside belief. There has to be an equal and opposite reaction. Scientifically, spiritually, religiously, it is true. And there will be many a house nigga traitor who says otherwise, I promise you.